Well, good morning. Yeah, quite a busy day at work yesterday. So breakfast this morning, it's a bit of a cheat, but it isn't a cheat. We had 2 pancakes left over from the other day when I made them, which I popped in the freezer. So we're going to have a pancake each, a bit of bacon, and something I don't often do. I don't often do poached eggs. Sometimes they come out really well, sometimes they can be a complete disaster. So we'll see what happens this morning. So I've got a small but the deepest pan I could find. It's on the rolling boil, and I've got a little bit of, I've got cider vinegar in it. I don't have white wine vinegar. The idea is the vinegar is meant to help it all stay together. I'm only going to do 2 eggs at a time because I don't want the water to go too cold. Doesn't look great. Okay. You see, I've got lots of white coming off. I usually hate doing poached eggs at work. You're either fantastic at them or a bit like me, an absolute nightmare. So they shouldn't take too long. In the meantime, I'm just going to warm up one of the pancakes first. Okay, our bacon's cooked. Never know how long to leave them either. Actually, I did find one trick. A pea scoop, for me, was the most important thing when doing poached eggs, because you can actually get them out a little bit longer. But not too bad. I know the pan looks a mess, but the eggs themselves are looking quite good. So I've got his plates. I've got Dave's plate here. So let's have a look. Yeah, great with the pea scoop because you can shake out all the water and not necessarily have to worry about, oh look at that. Where's the other one? Where's there? I think I got it. All the water, you don't have to put it on a cloth. Hey, wow. Oh, I'm hard chuffed with those. Let me turn that down before it boils over, before I do the next 2. There you go. Nice simple breakfast. Poached eggs, bacon, and an American pancake. Okay, talk to you later. I'm actually gonna film this again, just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. So, rolling boil, I'm gonna do my eggs now. So breakfast this morning comes to 98 cents for the 2 of us, which is pretty amazing. So fingers crossed on these ones. Let's see if they come out as well as the other ones. So now I found it, which is great. Pop him on there. Oh. No. I think he stuck to the bottom. What a shame. But hey, 3 out of 4 is not bad, is it? Okay, catch you later.